So if you're unaware, starting with the GoPro Hero 8, they created a built-in mounting system on the GoPro, which is actually quite nice. Because before that, you would actually have to have a plastic case that had the mounting system built on the bottom of that. So kind of annoying. But if you needed to connect your GoPro to some kind of a screw thread, you would actually have to have an extra accessory to do that. Just no problem, but you have to remember to bring that with you. And then Teleson said, hey, let's just make the best of both worlds. So check this out. This is the GoPro mounting system, but it has a screw thread right here in the middle. And it comes with the screwdriver and a bunch of little screws in case you do drop one. Changing it over is super easy, super convenient. All you have to do is take out the screws of the current mounting system, pop in the new mounting system, and there you go. It's great quality, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It actually feels the same as GoPro's mount. And so when you have it attached, now you can use it with GoPro mounts and you can use it with the screw thread. And I really do think that this is so great to have, because when you're out on the go and you don't have all your attachments with you, this little attachment right here could be a lifesaver. Well, it wouldn't save any lives, but it would just be very convenient for you.